English to Hindi sentences. Number first, bukhar, fever. Number first, bukhar, fever. Number second, khansi, cough. Number second, khansi, cough. Number third, jukham, cold. Number third, jukam, cold. Number four, khujli, itch. Number four, khujli, itch. Number five, daant dard, toothache. Number five, daant dard, toothache. Number six, coat, leprosy. Number six, coat, leprosy. Number seven, muhasa, pimple. Number seven, muhasa, pimple. Number eight, ulti, vomiting. Number eight, ulti, vomiting. Number nine, dast, diarrhea. Number nine, dast, diarrhea. Number 10, chakkar, giddiness. Number 10, chakkar, giddiness. Number 11, sirdard, headache. Number 11, sirdard, headache. Number 12, kabj, constipation. Number 12, kabj, constipation. Number 13, heja, cholera. Number 13, heja, cholera. थैंक यू फैमिली, आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. सो प्लीज़ लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.